Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. You can tell it's a special video because I'm wearing my robes and I never do this. The reason this is a special video is because, first of all, it is the 20th anniversary of the Philosopher Stone movie coming to theaters, and Warner Brothers, for celebration, sent me this 20th anniversary box. I have no idea what's inside of it. I'm really excited to open it up, and I'm having a Harry Potter movie night tonight to celebrate the 20th anniversary. And I want to say thank you so much to Warner Brothers for sending me this box. Let's get it open and see what's inside. So as you can see, it looks like a trunk. This is really well designed, really cool. Oh, the design on the inside of these flaps is really cool too. Check that out. 20 years of movie magic, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. November 16th, 2021 will mark the 20th anniversary of the release of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone in theaters. This box is a celebration of the film that launched one of the world's best-loved film franchises. Relive the magic of Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone in a wondrous new way by experience Harry Potter Magical Movie Mode. Wow, where you will discover filmmaking secrets, spell incantations, creatures, magical artifacts, trivia, and more in an enchanting collection of fun activities and curiosities. I wonder what this is. That sounds really intriguing. And there is a DVD, it looks like, in here. And oh, cool. What is this? It looked like it had like a castle on it. Oh, it's the 3 broomsticks. So that says it's a Hallmark keepsake of the 3 broomsticks. It's a Christmas tree ornament. Perfect. Let's take a look at this. Whoa. That is so cool. Look at this. That is probably one of the coolest Christmas tree ornaments I've ever seen. It looks like you can put like if you have a string lights around your tree, you can put 2 of them in here and the lights will glow. That is so cool. I cannot wait to get this on my tree. My tree isn't even up yet. And then we also have this Harry Potter Trivial Pursuit. That is gonna be fun. This will actually be a perfect game to play for the movie night, actually. So this is gonna be great. I think all of this stuff is just for movie night. Oh, and there are snacks in here. I can see them over there. I can always spot snacks. Oh, Magical Movie Mode, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone on DVD. Here we have Hermione. I don't have a Hermione Funko Pop, so that's really cool. Oh, and she's holding a Christmas present. And then we also have stickers. Sweet. I want to see what all stickers we have, because I don't have enough Harry Potter, like cool Harry Potter stickers. A lot of the stuff that I have is the chibi stuff, which I'm not a huge fan of. Oh, sweet. Look at this. Always Hogsmeade. Oh my gosh. Acid Pops. This is so cool. And there's just a ton of these stickers. I am going to have to use these to decorate like a trunk or something. This is going to be so great. Just look, I can't even go through all of these. There are so many. And here we also have some Birdie Bots for snacking during the movie. This is going to be so fun. Oh my gosh. There's also a cookie baking kit. This box is packed full of really cool stuff. Oh my gosh, thank you, Warner Bros. Look at this. I'm going to be making some of these cookies for Christmas for sure. I don't have time to do it for the movie night tonight, but this is definitely going to happen. Look at all the awesome looking cookies we can have. I'm excited about the Hedwig cookies, really. What's this? Is there a book in here too? It's a Harry Potter baking book. This is perfect. I love cooking too. Oh my gosh. Look at all these amazing recipes. Oh, I'll never make the castle, by the way. That's not happening. But I will make cookies. I will make Sword of Gryffindor cookies. Oh my God, I want that. I want that monster book cake. Oh, you guys, what else is in here? Oh my God, there's even more. It just keeps going. It never ends. Oh my gosh, it's an advent calendar. Christmas in the Wizarding World 2021 candy advent calendar. Guys, I'm going to do an unboxing video specifically for this advent calendar, and I'm gonna eat lots of candy. Yep, there's even more down in here. Oh cool, flying broomstick cake pops. Nice recipes. I'm making these for sure. Hogwarts house party pizzas. Those look like really tasty pizzas, and I do love to cook, so that's happening. I'm actually really happy that they have so much cooking stuff in here. There's something big and cloth at the bottom. What is this? Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh my God, is this a blanket? Is this a Marauders map blanket? It is an amazing Marauders map blanket. That is so cool. So this box and everything in it makes me so happy. I cannot wait to start movie night. The thing is, I don't think I have a Blu-ray player unless PlayStation 5 plays Blu-rays. Then I do, and I can do this. If not, I have all of the movies on Google Play, so I'll just watch it from there, but I really want that magical movie mode. This is gonna be so fun. I don't have time to make the cookies, but Trivial Pursuit is definitely happening. Hopefully magical movie mode is gonna happen. We're gonna eat some Birdie Bots, and then I am just going to like curl up under this Marauders map blanket while we watch Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So, oh my God, all this stuff. I can't believe so much stuff came. They told me that they wanted to send me a 20th anniversary box with a bunch of stuff for movie night, and I did not know that it was gonna have so much cool stuff and all this extra stuff, like this baking stuff and like the recipe book. I'm beyond happy right now. Thank you so much, Warner Brothers, for doing this. I'm going to go ahead and do my movie night. I'll be posting pictures of, I have my own home theater down in my basement, so I'll be posting pictures of everything, and this is gonna be so fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you thought of the stuff in this box. Let me know what you're doing for the 20th anniversary. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.